Hi, my name is Jeff Weber. I represent Weber Marble Products in Cascade, Iowa. We provide precision machine components and assemblies for our worldwide base of customers that vary from construction, oil, gas, agriculture.
On these newer Haas machines, they have a probe on here, and this helps us find X left and right, Y in and out, and your Z position. We do not need to use an edge finder anymore. So this is a very accurate way to the 10th how to find and zero your work offsets. So with that running, it just put us right in the exact center of that part.
We are currently accepting applications for all second and third shift positions. We offer competitive wages, 401k, we offer health insurance, dental insurance, and we also offer second and third shift premiums.
They're a great place to work for, and hey, they're family and they treat you like family.